Hey there, are you tired of feeling like your every move online is being watched? It's a common feeling in today's digital age, but what if I told you there's a way to take back some control? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to send a do not track request to the websites you browse in Google Chrome. Let's dive in. First things first, fire up your Chrome browser on your computer. After that, look up to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the three-dot icon. Now, from the menu that pops up, click on Settings. Next, find and click on Privacy and Security in the menu left side of the screen. Then, look for third-party cookies and give that a click. In the Advanced section, you'll spot the Do Not Track feature. Toggle on the option that says Send a Do Not Track request with your browsing traffic. After that, hit the Confirm button to lock in your choice. And voila, you're all set. From now on, whenever you visit a website, the Do Not Track request will be included with your browsing traffic. If the website chooses to honor it, you won't be tracked. And you won't see ads or content based on your browsing data. So there you have it. That's how you enable the Do Not Track feature in the Chrome browser on your PC. If you found this video helpful, then smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.